Alright guys, today we're gonna try to get this Alpha 20 Vega body cut out and fitted to the chassis. And then we're gonna paint it with some candy blue and see how she turns out.
You're good.
Alright guys, we finally got the body all trimmed up on the Vega, got the window stickers in, and we're about to paint it with the candy blue and see how it turns out. Guys, we finally got the candy blue on here. We did a backing of a metallic silver. I'm gonna get all the window stickers off of it in a little bit, and probably do a little bit of a window tint, and get the rest of the stickers with the grill, the headlights, tail lights, and everything like that put on here. Alright, so we finally got the candy blue laid down. Got the metallic silver backing underneath it. Finally got the grill and the headlight stickers in. Got some tail lights going on. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to tint the windows like I wanted to for the video. I'm out of paint, so I have to go to the RC store at some time and get some. Definitely gonna get the parts to build the chassis and everything, but for right now, for the next video, I'm just gonna put it on my chassis that I have my Nova on, just so you guys can get the look and see how the body looks on top of the chassis. Alright guys, it's the Alpha Vega 20 on my chassis for my Nova right now. Definitely gonna build another one just for this car. But just for the video purposes, I wanted to show you what it looked like on the chassis. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. TNDRC.